Hi friends, welcome to today's class. So today's question is, Arun draws upstream at 10 km per hour and downstream at 16 km per hour. Find Arun's rate in still water and the rate of the current. So this is our first question on boats and streams. So we are having two terms here. What are they? So the first is upstream and the second term is downstream. And we are asked to find out the rate of Arun in still water and the rate of the current. So the speeds are given. How Arun is rowing upstream and how Arun is rowing downstream. What is the speed of the Arun when he is rowing upstream and what is the speed of the Arun when he is rowing downstream. So what is the meaning of this upstream and downstream? So upstream means actually Arun will be rowing against the current. So there are two ways in which we can swim. One is against the current. The current means what to say stream. So suppose the current or stream everything is same only. So when the stream is flowing and Arun is swimming along with the stream, then we can say that Arun is swimming along the stream, along with the current or along with the stream. So that is downstream actually. So that time he is swimming downstream. So downstream means along with the current or along with the stream. And upstream is against the current. If the stream is flowing in this direction, Arun is swimming in this direction against the current. He is swimming against the current, and downstream means along with the current or along with the stream. All of these are same meaning. So this is the meaning of upstream and downstream. And when any person is swimming upstream or any person is swimming against the current, the total speed or the equivalent speed or the effective speed, we can say effective speed. So effective speed will be equal to the speed of the person minus speed of the current. So there both are in opposite directions. So you have to subtract. The speeds will be getting subtracted. So that will be the effective speed. Speed of the person minus speed of the current. So if a boat also is going in the same way or a boat is also rowing upstream means speed of the boat minus speed of the current or speed of the stream. Everywhere it will be same. And downstream means both are in the same directions. So the effective speed will be the sum of the speeds. So speed of the person or speed of the boat, whatever be it, plus speed of the stream or speed of the current. So this is the basic concept in boats and streams. We are having upstream speed and downstream speed. Or we can say speed when a person is rowing along the current, that is downstream, and speed when the person is rowing along against the current. Against the current is upstream and along the current is downstream. Okay, now let's go to the question here. Here the upstream speed and the downstream speed is given and we have to find out what is Arun's rate in still water speed. What is Arun's speed in still water and what is the speed of the current. So let's take Arun's speed be equal to x. So let Arun's rate in still water. In still water his speed, if there was no current means his speed is x kilometer per hour. And here also when I wrote here speed of the person or speed of the boat, the meaning is speed of the person or speed of the boat in still water. If there was no current means what would have been his speed. Because of the presence of the current, what happens? The effective speed either reduces or increases based on the direction in which he is swimming. He is swimming upstream means the effective speed reduces. If he is swimming downstream means the effective speed increases. So here the meaning is actually speed of the person or speed of the boat in still water. In both the equation it is like that. And rate of current be equal to y. So this is the common representations which we use. Always we take the speed of the person or speed of the boat as x and the rate of current as y. And upstream speed is equal to 10 km per hour. The upstream speed and downstream speed are given directly. Upstream speed is equal to 10 km per hour and downstream speed is equal to 16 km per hour. Always downstream speed will be greater when compared to upstream speed. Downstream only the effective speed is increasing. Both are getting added. Both are in the same direction. Now let's study a shortcut formula for finding this answer. We have to find out the rate of Arun in still water and rate of the current. X and Y are what we have to find out. Rate of Arun in still water and what is the rate of current. So these two are the unknown things. So the rate in still water will be equal to rate in still water. Rate of Arun or rate of boat or whatever be the rate in still water, it can be found by half into upstream speed plus downstream speed. How did we get that equation? I'll show you how we got that equation. So first let me write the equation, let me complete it. And rate of current or rate of stream, it will be equal to half into upstream speed minus downstream speed. So what is actually upstream speed? Upstream speed will be equal to x minus y. And what will be downstream speed? It will be equal to x plus y, where x is the speed of Arun in still water and y is the speed of the current. So upstream speed is equal to x minus y and downstream speed is equal to x plus y. So from that we will be getting x is equal to half into upstream speed plus downstream speed and y is equal to half into upstream speed minus downstream speed. So from this basic equations only we got this formula, and you can easily remember this. No need of writing upstream speed is equal to x minus y, then downstream speed is equal to x plus y, then writing two equations, x minus y is equal to 10, x plus y is equal to 16, and trying to solve for x and y. So that will be more lengthy. So if you just understand the concept and if you remember that speed of Arun or speed of boat or whatever is given in still water will be given by half into upstream speed plus downstream speed, and the speed of the current or speed of the stream will be half into downstream speed minus upstream speed. Okay, so downstream speed will be always greater. Here it is downstream speed minus upstream speed. Always downstream speed will be greater when compared to upstream speed. So half into downstream speed minus upstream speed. So now let's try to apply it here. So here the rate of Arun will be equal to half into what is upstream speed? 10. So 10 plus 16, which is equal to 10 plus 16 is equal to 26. So 26 divided by 2 is equal to 13 km per hour. And what is rate of current? Rate of current will be the half into 16 minus 10. 16 minus 10 is equal to 6. So 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3 km per hour. So this is our final answer. Rate of Arun in still water is equal to 13 km per hour and rate of current is equal to 3 km per hour. Now question number 2. Veena rows a boat 18 km in 4 hours downstream and returns upstream in 12 hours. Find the speed of the stream. So Veena is rowing a boat here and she is able to travel 18 kilometers in 4 hours. So what is the given information? In 18 kilometers she is able to travel in 4 hours downstream, and upstream also she will be traveling the same distance. So whatever distance she has traveled downstream, when she is returning back she will be traveling the same distance in the opposite directions. If she went downstream means she will be coming back upstream only, or she will be returning upstream only. So the same distance is travelled upstream in 12 hours. So 18 kilometers in 12 hours upstream. So you have to find out what is the speed of the stream. So that is the given question. So how to do this? Once you have the upstream speed and the downstream speed, you can directly find the speed of the stream by using the equation speed of the stream is equal to half into downstream speed minus upstream speed. So here the distance is given and also the time is given. So you can easily find out the speed. So downstream speed is equal to 18 divided by 4, which gives you 9 by 2 km per hour. And what about upstream speed? Upstream speed is equal to 18 divided by 12, which gives you 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 km per hour. So you are having the downstream speed and the upstream speed now. For easiness, I have written ds and us. So speed of stream is equal to y. That is what our usual representation. So y is equal to ds minus us divided by 2, which gives you half into 9 by 2 minus 3 by 2. What is 9 by 2 minus 3 by 2? 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So 3 by 2 kilometer per hour, which is equal to 1.5 kilometer per hour is the speed of the stream. Here only speed of stream is asked. So you can get it directly by using half into downstream speed minus upstream speed. So if you are asked to find out the speed of Veena, it will be equal to half into 9 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Here only speed of the stream is asked. Now question number 3. A boatman rows 1 kilometer in 5 minutes along the stream and 6 kilometer in 1 hour against the stream. Find the speed of the stream. So here it is given a boatman is rowing 1 kilometer in 5 minutes along the stream. So along the stream means what is the meaning? Downstream. You should be very thorough with it. So once you do all these problems, it will be very easy for you to remember. Downstream is along the stream and upstream is opposite to the stream. So downstream, the effective speed will be getting added and upstream means it will be getting reduced. So 1 kilometer in 5 minutes, that means downstream he is rowing 1 kilometer in 5 minutes and for upstream it will be equal to 6 kilometer in 1 hour. So you have to find out what is the speed of the stream. A similar question just like the previous one, but here the terms upstream and downstream are not directly given. So that is the only difference. So we can proceed as before. Here also the distance is given and the time taken is also given. So you can find out the speed. So downstream speed will be equal to 1 divided by 5, 1 kilometer in 5 minutes. So 1 divided by 5, but you have to convert the minutes into hour. The speed unit is kilometer per hour. Here it is given 5 minutes. So 5 divided by 60, which gives you 60 by 5, that is 12 kilometer per hour. So downstream speed is equal to 12 kilometer per hour. And what about upstream speed? Upstream speed is equal to 1 divided by 6. 6 divided by 1. 6 kilometer in 1 hour, which gives you 6 kilometer per hour. Now you have to find out the speed of the stream, which is equal to y. So let speed of the stream is equal to y. So y will be equal to half into downstream speed minus upstream speed, which gives you half into 12 minus 6, which is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3 kilometer per hour. So 3 kilometer per hour is the speed of the stream. So in this video we saw the basics. What do you mean by upstream speed? What do you mean by downstream speed? So what do you mean by flowing against the current, and what is meant by flowing along with the current, and how to find out the speed in still water and how to find out the speed of the current. Thank you for watching.